Hey everybody, this is Dustin Across. Today we have a 1983 CJ-5. This isn't your average CJ-5. It's not actually a real Golden Eagle, but it has been completely restored. It's got worn front rear bumpers with a worn Period Correct Winch, Walker Evans Beadlock Wheels with 34-inch tires. Got a TJ suspension lift with lock shocks. It's also got a TJ 4-liter Fuel Injected Inline 6 and a new interior, which we will take a look at now. This Jeep is extremely clean. It'd be a great addition to somebody's collection, or if you just really enjoy the CJ-5, would absolutely love this one. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're crossjeep.com. Find us on Instagram and Facebook at crossjeep. Again, this is Dustin at Cross.